Welcome to day 6, fun. Your practice should be fun, so today we're gonna play. I'm gonna ask you to hop, I'm gonna ask you to laugh, and I want you to smile. Don't forget about your breath, but don't let it be the main source of our practice today. Everything has been really serious this week. Today I want you to enjoy moving. I want you to be safe, so notice your surroundings, noticing I have nothing around me to hit. So if you need to move your mat, go ahead and take a chance to do that now. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and start playing. So we're gonna do a downward facing dog. As you press your hips back, I want you to find your breath and just breathe in and out slowly. Shake your head side to side. Inhale, high the balls of the feet. Exhale, drop the heels. Inhale up, exhale, drop your heels. Continue to do this. Heels down, heels up, or heels down, hop up. Hop up. 4 more of those. So either right here or right here. 2 more. Push. Last one. Hop. Good. Hold it if you've got it. Release. And then come to down dog. Take a breath in. Exhale to plank. Lower down to your bellies. Untuck your toes. Use your fingertips. Inhale. Peel your chest up. Look over the right shoulder. Look over the left shoulder. And then slowly come down. Inhale if you feel like a lion, a mermaid, or a snake. Make the sound if you wish. Lift the heart up. Lift your chest. Smile. And then release it down. One more time. Inhale up as much as you can. Exhale, bend your knees and just imagine your head and toes were touching. And then slowly release. And lower, hands down. Press up to your hands and knees. Take a big stretch back to child's pose. From here, come into standing and fold forward. Halfway lift your spine and then fold in. Crow pose. So place your hands down, bring your knees to your upper arms, look forward. So option 1, stay right here, or watch. I'm gonna put my forehead on this block. And then from there, I'm fully balanced by my hands and my head. Now, if you don't need that, don't use it. Bring your knees up, look forward, pick up the feet. Maybe pull the heels up, maybe straighten the arms, maybe bend and then drop back. So we're gonna do that about 3 more times. So you can kind of wiggle into your deep yogi squat, check in how you feel, reach your arms out, roll your wrist. And if you can't dance like me and this just feels really uncomfortable, that's okay. And then place your hands down. Raise your hips up, raise your heels up, look forward. Again, find your crow. Press out of your arms. Release. Hands back to your heart. One more time if you want. Again, if you want to play, play. If you're like, crow I do all the time, then try this. Place a block between your feet. Find your crow with your block. Pull it all the way up to your booty and then all the way down. It's like mini hamstring curls. If this were a dumbbell, then it would be a lot harder. One more. Release. Good. Block to the side if you were using it. Bring your hands back to your heart. Lift your chest. Pull it forward. And then have a seat. Sit up tall. Inhale, raise your arms. Exhale, fold. So today there's no sequence. There's no thought to your lefts and your rights. It's just how can you move to feel cozy. So the yoga teacher, we learn this naturally, where we learn how just to flow and we learn how to move. I never teach a practice the same way or start it the same way. So this is your free flow. This is just your forward fold. At the very beginning, how do you feel? A little bit side to side, move left and move right. Check in with your body. Good. Inhale, sit up nice and tall. Cross the ankles. Grab onto your kneecaps and then roll yourself in a big circle. Starting to notice this space. Back. Reverse your big circle around. One more time. Good. Sit up nice and tall. Reach your heart forward. Lift your chest. Take a big breath out. Good. We're going to cross our ankles, place our hands next to us, and then maybe we're going to pick up our butt. 1, 2, 3. Pick it up. sit down. All right, now blocks. Again, not everyone owns these, so it's not a big deal, but that makes it a lot easier. Ankle up, press, lift, and sit. Again, up, lift. Maybe you're gonna start to swing, so watch, press, swing. Good, and then sit. So if you don't have blocks, that's okay. What I do if I don't have blocks handy is I use my fingertips. My arms feel short when I press down, so if I use my fingers to press my fingertips down to lift up, I'm a little stronger. Good. Exhale, roll out your wrist. And then we'll come forward, hands and knees. Down dog. Let's flow. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale, step it forward, warrior one. So ground your back heel. Reach up to the sky. Exhale, warrior two. Inhale, reverse. Take side angle. Bring your forearm down, reach over the head. Straight-legged reverse warrior. Inhale, up. Exhale, cartwheel down, standing split. So pivot, ground, lift, fold. Inhale, lift and lengthen. Exhale, fold. We're gonna play. We're gonna try to bring this top leg down and switch it. So inhale up, exhale, fold, switch it. And now my right leg's in the air. Big breath in, big breath out, and then switch it. Now my left leg's in the air. So you can say that's cool and just switch like this, or you can go with me, okay? So left leg's in the air, switch it. Right leg's in the air, switch it. One more time, switch it. And then step together. Grab opposite elbows and we're just gonna sway side to side. Left and right. Sway all the way to stand. So dance your way up to standing side to side. And then exhale, pause. So surprisingly, you should feel a little tired. Ground your feet. Inhale, raise your arms all the way up. And then exhale, fold all the way forward. Halfway lift your spine, step to plank. Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Let's flow, left leg up, step forward. Inhale, warrior one. Exhale, warrior two. Inhale, reverse your warrior, and then take your side angle. Inhale, straight-legged, lean back. Cartwheel your hands down. Slide the foot back, standing splits. And again, play with me. Hop, or lift the leg, switch. Lift the leg, switch. Your choice. One more. And then fold forward. Good, breathe in and breathe out. Inhale, rise all the way up, take a back bend. Bring your hands to your hips. I'm gonna turn towards you and you're just gonna start to move your hips in a nice circle around and around. And breathe. Reverse it. Good. And then from there, I'm gonna shift forward. Raise your left arm up, big side body stretch. Switch it. And then inhale, both arms up. Exhale, fold. Lift and lengthen your spine. Step your left foot back, drop the knee. And then you choose. I want you to see what feels best in your hips. So you've done some standing poses, you've done crow pose, you've already done handstands, we've done seated folds, we've just played around on our mat. We felt free today. And this kind of play and freedom helps you develop a home practice. So from here, maybe you stay right here, maybe your arms come up, maybe they come behind you, maybe they interlace, maybe you twist, Just take 3 breaths, whatever feels best, whatever feels good in your body. And then on your next exhale, we're just gonna step forward, top of the mat. Halfway lift your spine, and then fold. Second side, right foot step back, and then just kind of pull the heart, lower the knee, and then again, either stay here, arms up, arms behind you, does not matter. You do what's best for you. 3 breaths. And then we'll step forward. Lift and lengthen your spine. Exhale, fold. Inhale, come all the way to stand, reach high into the air. Exhale, bow forward. Lengthen halfway. Exhale, have a seat. Good, pull your feet up off the ground, hug your knees in nice and tight, and now take the back of your legs. So we're gonna rock forward and back, but we're gonna do that holding our big toes. So loop your peace fingers around, thumbs on top. We're gonna rock our legs all the way back over our head, tap the ground, and rock all the way up, all right? All the way back, tap. Yep, I didn't make it. All the way back, tap. Yep. And if you go too far, that's okay. Hold it one more time, all the way back, tap. Up. Smile. This is hard. And then exhale, feet together. Good, sit up nice and tall, and then just bow forward. Free flow, side to side. Just check in with your back as you move left to right. This should feel good in your hips. Inhale, take a big breath in. Exhale it out. And our final play move is a backwards roll into down dog. So I'm gonna scoot forward on my mat. I might lose my bun during this, but that's okay, because we're having fun. And you're just gonna rock. And eventually I'm gonna roll far enough back so that I come to down dog. Your hands have to push here, right? So back, heel, roll, push, down dog. Stretch it out, left side, right side. You should feel free, you should feel open, and you should feel good about your body and yourself. Come forward, Chaturanga. If you went Monday through Sunday with me, today's the weekend, so that's why we're playing. It's Saturday. If you're on a different day, that's okay. This can be your weekend to play. Exhale, press it back to child's pose. Inhale to your hands and your knees, come to seated. Thank you for playing. Have an awesome day 6, and I'll see you tomorrow for our final day together.